Some of our clients are landlords who are tired of dealing with their problem property. Maybe it needed a bunch of repairs. Maybe it was just too much work. A lot of them thought, hey, being a landlord will be a great thing. And now, after a couple of years, they're like, man, it's not so good. It's really not so good. I've got to get out of this. If you happen to be in that situation, we should talk because I'm looking to buy a few properties in the area. I'm not looking to lowball you. I'm not looking to steal your property. I'm just looking to make you a fair offer based on the current condition. Typically, I buy stuff that needs a little bit of work. So instead of you fixing it up, I fix it up. And you give me a little bit of a discount and we make a deal. If you are interested in selling your property, let's chat. Just have a quick phone conversation. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, that's okay too. There's never any pressure. Love to chat with you. In the meantime, I got to go fix this one up, and I look forward to talking with you soon.